Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and welcome to the 2018 unboxing of the iPhone 6s. Let's check it out. Okay everyone, so the iPhone 6s is a phone that's been out for a few years now, as most of y'all know, and I was able to pick this up at Metro PCS or Metro by T-Mobile, whichever you want to call it, for free in a port-in. And I got a video about that coming up in a few days. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that bell for post notifications. That would be really awesome to catch up on newer videos about that and other things as well, of course. Now, this is the 6S from Metro by T-Mobile. It is the 32GB model right there, as you see. And to the best of my knowledge, from what I've been told, the rose gold is the only version available at Metro by T-Mobile. So that's what I got. So let's go ahead and pop the top off here of this box, and right there sits the iPhone. So really nice stuff there. I'll go ahead and remove it from the box. And of course, whenever you look in the box here, you see your typical stuff like your your cable, your wall brick, as well as your ear pods there as well. So no surprise that what comes in the box when you buy an iPhone. Let's go ahead and just put this back on top here and take a look at this iPhone 6s. Now, like I said, it is the rose gold model, and to the best of my knowledge, Metro PCS only sells this color variant here in the 6s. I believe the 6s Plus you can get in space gray, but of course on the left there is your volume rockers and your silence button there. On top is nothing. On the bottom is your Lightning port, 3.5mm headset jack, as well as your bottom firing speaker. On the right, of course, is your SIM tray there. Power button. On the front is your camera, receiver, your fingerprint scanner. On the rear, of course, is your single rear camera, dual tone flash, Apple logo, iPhone with the S down there at the bottom. Let's go ahead and pull off this plastic. Always very satisfying to do that. So let's go ahead and boot this phone up. So yeah, the iPhone 6s, I'm really interested in using this phone. I know it's kind of like the iPhone SE, just bigger with a few more features and all that kind of good stuff. But let me go ahead and get it all set up, and I will come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go. Let's go ahead and get into the home screen. Very responsive Touch ID there. Now, I just like the 6S, I have the SE as well as the 6, so you got the SE power, here in the 6S as well, and you got the form factor of the 6, so kind of the best of both worlds there. I like the SE for the more compact, easier to carry around, stuff like that, but I like the 6S for the bigger display and better for media and stuff like that. Now, of course, I'm on Metro, so I have got no service, which is pretty typical here in my area. But like I said, it's just a basic unboxing, look at the phone. Let's go ahead and go into the settings here and find out what version of iOS we are running. And looking here, we are running iOS 12.0.1. As you can see right there, carrier Metro PCS. 32GB of storage with 27.29GB available out of the box. So I'll probably update it to 12.1 and all that kind of good stuff. But like I said, pretty basic, unboxing here. The iPhone 6s in 2018. I will be doing more videos about this phone here. I'll be comparing the 6 with the 6s, the SE with the 6s, and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm really glad I was able to get my hands on the 6s. For Metro PCS. I looked high and low for one of these phones and finally found one. So yeah, the 5-megapixel camera in the front, hopefully it'll be a bit better. I'm honestly, in my opinion, the 6 and the SE front cameras do just fine. But with a 5-megapixel, maybe it'll be just a little bit sharper and stuff like that. I guess we'll find out, a little bit after time of using this phone here. But I will be doing some number of tests on this phone, of course, with different iOS versions. I'll be doing speed tests and comparisons with other iPhones, stuff like that here in the future. So like I may mention earlier, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That would be awesome. And hit that bell for notifications. That would be great as well. But yeah, I mean, really nice phone here. Not much else to say, so I guess I'll go ahead and end the video off here with that. So, if you enjoy seeing this here on my channel, be sure to hit that like button. Any questions that you may have, leave it below. Like always, consider subscribing. Hit that bell for post notifications. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.